Pinita nili nali tumafan voreng AWARSAI APHUTHAK si labangso video long nang than pachini pon ikpo lapen kai kia son klarda kalamba nali tum labangso video arlosi thek ponlong ikpo tangte aprangsi KARDOM kadu kave karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do anafans tame lapen nali tum jongsin anta labangso YouTube channel long subscribe krelang polotina kachingon pen subscribe ikon lapen adu hes tame belarjan thekloing holabangso dim ta nali tum ber igdenon lapen nali tum jongsi WhatsApp group long ki join ning hang polte nili a video tin along stame puiglo labangso video description along stame nili link bang pitelo halabangso aling lo nali tum ber pen nang join dun fit melo tangte pini pathiek pen labangso voreng AWARSAI APHUTHAK le chithan polonang tangte lang polonang chithan polonang Dibrugarh University Recruitment details non dak lang polonang aprangsi nali tum thek polong ikpo professor afan dak number of post bang kaduk abe pen 7 do lapen scale of pay bang dak 1,44,200 pen cheng ponlok dak 2,18,200 an pipon po lapen nason si number 2 along bangke associated professor afan dak number of post bang 9 do lapen salary bang dak nali tum thek ponlong po scale of pay bang 1,31,400 lapen chenglok lapen 2,17,100 an long pon ikpo lapen number 3 long bang assistant professor afan dak number of post bang 17 do lapen dak scale of pay bang 57,700 lapen 1,42,400 an long pon ikpo lapen eligibility criteria bang candidate must be profess maximum qualification as per UGC regulation for appointment of teaching and other academic staff in universities and colleges and measure for the maintenance of standards in higher education 2018 date 18 July 2018 la sohut ki undun tang abang kumate abang hinangpo pen kai planning process man son la application along with it copies of the same photo bang it photocopies nangpo atta nangpo apag bangke in the prescribed from the Dibrugarh University are invited for the intending eligibility candidate. The link of application form is given below in important link section. The last date submission application form for the aforementioned post so as to reach the undersigned on or before 12 May along with a bank draft of Rs 1,500 rupees in favor to the registration Dibrugarh University Assam payable at Punjab National Bank Dibrugarh University branch code tadak pipon lo asiodak nalitum 1,500 bangala fee bang pinang po nalitum na screen along lang pondigon lapen nilida kado kavel labangso details bandak nalitum panan than pechini un edala las nalitum labangso details lang igdeno lapen important dates nalitum panan than pechini pon ikpo last date bandak 12 May 2023 last date lapen labangso article amount nalitum online requirement notification nalitum dak long ikpo lapen application forms tame dakpen nalitum long pon ikpo lapen advertisement alu na piklang fan nilibor I ikpo nalitum pan na piklang ik lapen advertisement alu nalitum la screen long thek pon long po dakadu kave ke tok do adlos tame da st tum hanta pina ando nalitum lang pon igo st hills st plans tum hans tame dak requirement bang dak do iglablo lapen labangso advertisement alu bang ni lina litum han WhatsApp lang stame nak share ikpo sen ikpo labangso advertisement alu na litum lang ikon la lang ikdet pen na litum labangso voreng AWARSAI long jogdun ni pulte na litum jogdun iktamilo lapen ka alma na litum labangso video share ikon karbiang long arat stame pelang iknang lapen pachithang iknang karbiang long adang ta lapen ili karbitum stame ning kehang abang pu abang pitum pa jogdun iklonang nasipinia video long bang last short information na litum hana 1p2 iglo lapen penap kaprek puthot a video long chitong thunang tang edome thakme kadu kave karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang arat do anafans tame nilihin pen KARDOM